Hi all, in this video I will show you my solution to CS50's Python problem called re-requesting a vanity plate, in which we need to implement unit tests for the program called vanity plates from problem set 2. Firstly we need to rewrite our vanity plates program in this manner, and then create some unit tests which will test its functions. This function, of course. So yeah, let's do this. So luckily, my program I wrote in this problem set 2 is already correctly structured. So you can look up a video on my channel in which I did this. But this is basically the code. So this is the main function which just prints valid or invalid, and all logic is in this function, which checks all the requirements which we needed to implement there. So this is my code, you can see it quickly, and only thing I need to edit is this last part in which we call main function, so I will just replace it with this. And now let's create some unit tests. So this program, how does it work? You should maybe check this link. What are the requirements? I can do the same. So basically these are the requirements. So all plates must start with at least 2 letters. There is minimum of 2 and maximum of 6 characters. Then regarding numbers, they cannot be used in the middle of a plate, only at the end. And also first number used cannot be 0. And also no period, spaces or punctuation marks are allowed. So that's basically it. Let's write our unit tests now. So I could actually close these plates. Again, if you're interested in details, you can look up my video how I did it. So it's a walkthrough. So let's do from plates. Let's import function is valid, and now let's create some tests. So firstly let's check the length. Test too short. Let's do assert is valid, and let's do just one character, A, each return false. Let's copy this so we are quicker. Now let's do too long. Let's do maximum is 6 characters. Let's do C, D, F, G. Let's do 7 characters. We should also get false. Now let's test it should start with 2 letters. So now let's do that test. Starts with 1 letter, 1 number. So this, for example, like this, it should also be false. Let's test. It starts with 2 letters. For example, AB, and that should actually return true, because 2 characters is allowed as minimum. Let's do now starts with numbers. Starts with numbers. Starts with numbers, and let's do 1 A, for example, we should get false. Now let's do also underneath this one 1, 2, AB. It should also be false. Okay, next let's check these special characters, for example. So invalid characters. So we should do ab.cd false. Then let's do ab, cd false. Then let's do two more, for example. Let's do ab space cd false, which should also be false. Let's do at sign, which should also be false. Now let's check numbers in the middle, for example. Numbers in middle. Let's do AB, CD, let's put some number in between, 5, 5. This should also be false. Let's do, I don't know. I mean, it's actually the same use case, so we don't need it. Now let's test the leading 0. So leading 0, so AB CD 0, 1, that should be false. Okay, let's do some valid plates. So we should do ABCD 1, 2, that should be true. Let's copy to test a bunch of these. So then let's do ABCD 1, 2. Actually, this ABC 1, 2, 3 should also be true. Let's do XXX ZZ, they should also be true. Let's do DDFE, I don't know, 5, that should also be true. And let's do CS50, I don't know, that should also be true. Yes, I think we covered all the requirements, so let's go through it one more time. So firstly we are testing 2 short plate, then 2 long plate, then starts with 1 letter, 1 number. It should start with 2 letters, so this is okay, this should be false. Starts with 2 letters, true. Starts with numbers, false. Invalid characters, all false. Number in the middle, false. Leading 0, false. And valid plates, true. Okay, now let's do the pi test plates dot pi. And yeah, good news, we got all 9 tests passed, so this is correct. And thanks for watching everyone, bye.